Just like keywords, negative keywords are important on Google Ads to make sure that you are not paying for clicks for searches that won't give you leads or make you money. And so there's a ton of negative keywords you need to be adding to your profile or to your platform when you start. Typically for pressure washing, I think we have about 4,000 negative keywords. They range from things like jobs, marketing, all the keywords around those. And then you got to get into specific types of keywords related to products, not services. I would negative your competitors because you don't want to pay expensive clicks for somebody looking for your competitor, because usually that's not a good thing when somebody is searching directly for the company name related to you showing up instead of them. So you want to be looking at ways and understanding what keywords you don't want to pay for so that those are added to your negative keyword strategy inside of Google Ads.